Welcome back. Programs become truly powerful when they can make decisions. Today we are going to learn about if statements, the way Python chooses what to do based on a condition. Let's look at the code. The first example checks whether the age variable is 18 or greater. If that condition is true, Python runs the indented code below it and prints that the person is an adult. If the condition is false, the else block runs instead. Notice the indentation. This is really important in Python. Python uses spaces, usually 4 of them, to know which lines belong to a block of code. Other languages use curly braces. Python uses indentation. If you don't indent correctly, Python will give you an error. So always pay attention to spacing. Now look at the great example. This uses elif, which stands for else if. Python checks the first condition. If it is false, it moves to the next one. It keeps checking until it finds one that is true, runs that block, and skips the rest. This is how you handle multiple possible outcomes. In programming, you will use this pattern constantly. Look at the combining conditions example. You can use the word and to check 2 conditions at the same time. Both must be true for the overall condition to be true. You can also use or, where at least one must be true. And you can use not to flip a condition from true to false. Scroll down to the temperature example. This is a real-world use of if, elif, and else, giving different advice based on the weather. Here is your challenge. Pause the video. Write a program that asks the user to enter a number. Print whether the number is positive, negative, or 0. Use if, elif, and else. See you in lesson 6.